It'll be a closed-door deposition between this committee and Pat Cipollone, the former Trump White House counsel, but there will be a videotape recording, CBS News has learned, raising the prospect we'll see an excerpt at next week's January 6th committee hearing.
CBS's Scott McFarland. The Labor Department releases its June job report later this morning. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger says she expects it will show moderate growth.
Clearly, in 2022, the second half of the year is going to see slower job creation than in the first half of the year. But job openings remain robust. Through May, there were 11.3 million job openings, meaning that there were almost 2 openings for every available worker. That's still near historically high levels.
The Las Vegas Raiders have named Sandra Douglas Morgan the team's new president. She's the first black woman to hold that position in the NFL.
The importance and effect of it is not lost on me. And I know that sports is a male-dominated industry, just as gaming was. And, we need to continue to break down these barriers.
Morgan is the former chairwoman of the Nevada Gaming Control Board. Gas prices dropped another 3 cents overnight to a national average of $4.72 a gallon. Actor Sacha Baron Cohen on Thursday defeated an appeal by former Alabama Judge Roy Moore, who had accused the British comedian of defamation. Moore says Cohen falsely portrayed him as a pedophile in an interview for the television show Who is America. But in a 3-0 vote, the Second U.S. Circuit of Appeals ruled the interview was constitutionally protected speech. This is CBS News.
Find great hires fast with Indeed. Their end-to-end hiring solution makes it easy to attract, interview, and hire candidates all in the same place. Visit Indeed.com/credit.
I wanted to know why some people who get COVID-19 get it so bad. I found out it may be because they have a high risk factor, such as heart disease, diabetes, being overweight, smoking, and asthma. Even if symptoms feel mild, these factors can increase your risk of COVID-19 turning severe. So if you're at high risk, there are things you can do, like asking your healthcare provider if an authorized oral treatment is right for you. Learn about an option at treatcovid19.com. This message is sponsored by Pfizer. If baby could talk, she'd say a lot. You'd know what she's thinking and what makes her happy. But unfortunately, baby can't talk or remind you. You're the one taking her to daycare today, and she won't speak up if you drive straight to work like any other day and in the backseat. Every year, dozens of kids die from heat stroke in cars. No one is perfect, so set a reminder. And always look before you lock. Where's Baby? Paid for by NHTSA.
Things are about to get even stranger.
There's still a 5th and final season to go for Stranger Things on Netflix, but its creators are already planning a spin-off. Creators Matt and Ross Duffer, otherwise known as the Duffer Brothers, say it'll be based on the sci-fi world in Hawkins, but its characters will be 1,000% different. The Duffer Brothers say they just want to hand that story over to a new generation. No word on when it could be released, but season 4 of Stranger Things hit more than 1 billion streaming hours this week. It's only the second series to pull it off on Netflix after Squid Game. Monica Ricks, CBS News.
Disneyland's Facebook and Instagram accounts have been hacked. Early Thursday morning, the accounts began posting racial racist language about African Americans and Asian Americans. Thousands of people commented before the posts were deleted. Disneyland's Instagram account has more than 8 million followers. Its Facebook page has more than 16 million. Christopher Cruz, CBS News.
It's 1:05 at the Bay Area's news station, KCBS. Partly cloudy at the coast later today, sunny along the bay and inland.